Welcome to day 55. As you can see, I'm huffing and puffing because guess what I'm doing? Going uphill. We're doing over a 15-mile slack pack. There's 7 of us. Boo Boo, Mito, Pony, Stoker, Intel, Neutral, and me. And it'll be a long day, but it's nice having a light pack. So there's supposed to be some good views. We're gonna have a fire tower and Lover's Leap. So I'll film as I go along. Check in later. Just so you know, my view of the Appalachian Trail is more or less this most days. And why am I looking at this constantly? 99% of the time, or I was like 95? It's because this and this will cause me to fall. This. So if I'm not looking down and avoiding these things, I will have fall number 7, which I am desperately trying to avoid. So while it is always nice to have views like this, and you can't see, but the mountain like that, most of the time my vision is that. All right, signing out. Ciao for now. Here she comes. Woohoo! All right, so we're at the Rich Mountain fire tower. It's 0.2 off trail, and I'm gonna climb it. It's gonna be windy up there, so I thought I'd just let you know where we are. And I'll show you the view when I get up. I don't know, how hot do you think it is? It's got to be close, pushing 80. Oh yeah. And this is part of the trail, guys. Hopefully, are we going to be going into the woods soon? But it just shows you that the trail can vary all the time. Alright, I think I'm pretty much on the ridge here. Now we're going to be going down into Hot Springs. Probably just a tad over 2 miles to go. And it is 2:55. So should be in by 4:15, depending on the train. It's hot. It's a good day to slack pack. And we're all saying we're really, really glad we started as early as we did. So it's just, Neutral's just a tiny bit behind me. All right, check in later. That's the French Broad River. Woohoo! Beautiful. Spring is coming, guys. Lots of green popping. Okay, about 3:50, and I'm walking across the bridge. The hike is almost over. It's hot today, but I'm really glad we did it. We got most of the uphill done before it got really hot. That's the river, the French Broad River. All right.